Grandma, I'll show her tomorrow. Oh, thank you.
That's the greatest face ever.
That's beautiful. One more? For Grandma?
No, for Daddy.
Okay. Oh, that face. Hold on. Ready?
Sit up, kiddo.
Here.
Alright, look this way.
Hi,
I'll get both
Crosby.
you and
Addie.
Crosby.
It's like cakey.
I know.
I don't remember her doing that.
I want to
He seems to like it in a way.
He's doing really pretty good.
Why do you do that? Why do you turn like that?
Oh,
Mocha.
Did you spit it out?
say it's different.
What do you think, Addie? Is he doing a good job eating?
Take it out for you.
Here, hold on.
Picture of me. Take a picture of me. Take a picture of me. Take a picture.
Okay.
Oh, great. Family can see.